How to download your build apps from Google AI Studio. So when you look here, you see that we don't have any download option right from your Google AI Studio, but I've been able to download my app, that is my build app from Google AI Studio. And when I open it, and this is it. Okay, so when I extract it, you see that everything is inside just like this. So let me show you how to do it. Just go to Google and then from Google search, come and type in Google AI Studio and then hit enter. Come and select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. What I have to do is just come here to the build and come and click on it. And over here, simply come and then click on the skip. Okay, they have done some new updates. And from here, all that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have your apps and come and click on it. Okay, so you see that all the apps that you have built is going to come just like this. Come and then select the one that you want to download, okay, by clicking on it. It's going to open just like this, okay, but you will see that you don't have any download option right here. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get it. All that you have to do is that over here where we have the preview, you will see that we have code here. Come and click on the code, okay. So when you click on it, you see that all this will come, and then the line where we have the code, when you look at the top right hand corner, you see that you have this download option right here. Okay, so just come and then click on the download as zip, and that is it. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully been able to download our app from Google AI Studio. So when you click on show in folder, you see that the zip file is right here. All that you have to do is simply right click on it and then come here to extract all. Okay, so just make sure that show extracted files when complete is checked and come and click on extract. So that is it. It's going to extract it for you, and you have your unzip folder right here and everything that comes along with it. So that is it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.